Mobility and independence become easier with a compact solution designed for travel, comfort, durability, and everyday accessibility needs support, reliability. The best ultralight folding wheelchair is built for easy transport, superior comfort, strong frame support, and reliable daily mobility performance anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Drive Medical Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Wheelchair is a well-balanced mobility solution designed to meet the everyday needs of users who prioritize reliability, comfort, and ease of use. Built with a durable steel frame, it offers a strong and stable structure that can withstand regular use while maintaining long-term performance. Despite its sturdy construction, the wheelchair is surprisingly manageable in terms of weight, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor movement. The padded nylon seat and backrest provide a comfortable sitting experience, even during extended periods, while being easy to clean and maintain. Its swing-away footrests and detachable armrests enhance convenience, allowing users to transfer in and out of the chair with minimal effort. This model is also highly practical for hospital or home use due to its minimal maintenance requirements. While it may not be the lightest option available, its balance of durability and functionality makes it a dependable choice for users seeking consistent performance. Overall, the Drive Medical Wheelchair stands out as a practical and cost-effective mobility aid that delivers comfort, safety, and convenience without unnecessary complexity. Number 2. High Fortune Wheelchair. The High Fortune Wheelchair is a modern and travel-friendly mobility solution that combines lightweight construction with advanced functionality, making it an excellent choice for active users. Crafted from a high-quality magnesium alloy frame, this wheelchair stands out for its exceptional strength while remaining ultra-lightweight, weighing only around 21 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to carry, fold, and transport, whether for daily use or long-distance travel. Its quick-release hinge system allows the chair to fold down effortlessly, fitting into car trunks or airplane cargo compartments without hassle. Comfort is thoughtfully addressed with padded armrests and swing-away leg rests, ensuring users can sit for extended periods without discomfort. Assembly is minimal, requiring only simple attachment of footrests and safety rollers, which saves time and effort. The wheelchair supports up to 220 pounds and features a 17.5-inch seat width, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Safety features such as rear brakes, hand brakes, and anti-tippers further add to its reliability, reducing the risk of accidents. Its removable components and quick-release wheels make transportation even more convenient. Overall, the High Fortune Wheelchair offers a perfect blend of portability, comfort, and safety, making it an ideal choice for individuals who need a dependable yet lightweight mobility aid for. Number 3. Medline Durable Wheelchair. The Medline Durable Wheelchair is designed for users who need a dependable and long-lasting mobility solution that performs consistently in both home and clinical environments. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame, it emphasizes strength and durability, making it suitable for individuals who require extra support and stability. Its reinforced structure ensures that it can handle regular use without compromising performance, which is particularly beneficial for long-term users. The seat and backrest are made from comfortable, easy-to-clean materials that provide adequate cushioning while maintaining hygiene. One of the standout features of this wheelchair is its smooth rolling wheels, which allow for easy navigation across different surfaces, including indoor flooring and outdoor pavements. Although slightly heavier than lightweight models, this added weight contributes to its overall sturdiness and reliability. The folding design ensures that it can still be transported and stored without major difficulty. Ideal for both personal and professional use, the Medline Durable Wheelchair offers a strong combination of comfort, safety, and resilience. It is particularly suited for users who prioritize durability over portability, making it a trusted option for everyday mobility needs. Number 4. BlessReach 300 Pounds Wheelchair.
The BlessReach 300 pounds wheelchair is built with strength and user support in mind, making it an excellent option for individuals who require a higher weight capacity without sacrificing comfort or usability. Designed to support up to 300 pounds, this wheelchair features a reinforced frame that ensures durability and long-term reliability. Despite its heavy-duty build, it maintains a user-friendly design that allows for smooth operation and easy handling. The seat is spacious and well-cushioned, providing comfort for extended use, while the breathable material helps prevent discomfort during long sitting periods. Its armrests are padded and positioned to support proper posture, and the footrests are adjustable to accommodate different users' needs. The large rear wheels enable easy self-propulsion, folds conveniently, allowing for easier storage and transport when needed. While it may not be the lightest model available, its sturdy construction and higher weight capacity make it a practical choice for those who need extra support. The BlessReach wheelchair strikes a strong balance between durability, comfort, and functionality, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use.
Number 5. Medorol Lightweight Wheelchair. The Medorol Lightweight Wheelchair is a thoughtfully designed mobility solution that prioritizes portability, comfort, and modern functionality. Built with a lightweight yet durable frame, the wheelchair is ideal for users who need a travel-friendly option without compromising on performance. Its compact design allows it to be folded quickly, making it easy to store in car trunks or carry during trips. Despite its lightweight nature, the wheelchair offers impressive stability, ensuring users feel secure during movement. The seat and backrest are ergonomically designed to provide proper support, reducing strain during extended use. Breathable materials enhance comfort, especially in warmer conditions. The wheelchair features smooth rolling rear wheels that allow for effortless self-propulsion, while the front wheels improve maneuverability in tight or crowded areas. The overall design focuses on ease of use, making it suitable for both users and caregivers. Assembly is minimal, and its low-maintenance structure ensures hassle-free operation over time. While it may not be intended for very heavy-duty use, it excels in providing convenience and comfort for everyday mobility. The Medorol Lightweight Wheelchair is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a balance between portability and functionality, offering a smooth and comfortable riding experience in a sleek and practical design. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.